New tonight, the Arizona impact of a new Texas anti-abortion law. The U.S. Supreme Court refused to block what's viewed as the state's nearly complete ban on abortion.
The Texas law bans abortions if a fetal heartbeat is detected. That can start at around 6 weeks. What's unusual is that the law is enforced by private citizens and not the state.
And they can sue people who help women obtain abortions, and the penalty is up to $10,000.
Here in Arizona, prominent leaders on both sides of this issue agree that the Supreme Court is signaling that it's on the verge of striking down Roe versus Wade. If that happens, Team 12's Bram Resnick tells us by this time next year, Arizona could outlaw abortion. Bram?
Yeah, Arizona law already bans abortions, but the law hasn't been enforced since the Roe versus Wade decision 48 years ago. Just one more abortion ruling by this Supreme Court could trigger that Arizona ban. They're as far apart as two people could be.
This is a breakthrough at the U.S. Supreme Court on allowing the Texas law to go into effect.
For more than a decade, Kathy Herrod's mission has been chipping away at Roe versus Wade.
You think Roe versus Wade is as good as gone?
That's what the court has signaled.
Democratic State Representative Athena Salmon is a vigorous defender of the Supreme Court's 48-year-old landmark decision. But Salmon and Herrod do agree that abortion could be outlawed in Arizona by next summer.
We are very close to Arizona having an enforceable ban on abortion.
We fully expect that Arizona's law protecting children from the moment of conception from abortion would go into effect.
Arizona is one of 8 states with an abortion ban that hasn't been enforced since Roe versus Wade protected women's reproductive rights. A U.S. Supreme Court ruling in a major abortion case next year could turn those state bans into laws.
The women who are most affected by this in Texas right now are young women, are people of color, are women who have low incomes.
For Kathy Herrod, the Texas law blocks abortions for the first time in decades.
So it's historic in that we now have babies and mothers protected in Texas.
In Phoenix, Bram Resnick, 12 News.